Hey English learners, if you want to improve your vocabulary and want to speak fluently, then you are in the right place. This is M.K Learning. Here you can watch videos of English vocabulary and daily life Urdu to English sentences. But before I start video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss any one of my new videos. Today we're gonna learn some advanced words so that you can use to sound more natural. One of the best way to sound more fluent is to use advanced words than to use simple words. The first word is very nice. Instead of saying very nice, you can simply say amazing or you can say awesome. The second word is very good. Instead of saying very good, you can say exceptional. Let's make a sentence. It's an exceptional movie. Number 3 is very funny. Instead of saying very funny, you can say hilarious. Hilarious means extremely funny. Number 4 is very bad. Instead of saying very bad, you can say dreadful. You can also use awful. Number 5 is very scared. Instead of saying very scared, it's better to say terrified. You can say I was terrified. Number 6 is very new. Instead of saying very new, you can say it's brand new. Number 7 is very beautiful. You can say gorgeous or stunning. She is looking stunning. He is looking gorgeous. Number 8 is very surprised. Instead of saying I was very surprised, you can say I was stunned. Number 9 is very rich. Instead of saying very rich, you can say prosperous. Number 10 is very angry. Instead of saying very angry, you can say indignant. Number 11 is very loud. Instead of saying very loud, you can say deafening. Number 12 is very important. Instead of saying very important, you can say crucial. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Now I want you to practice these new words. I hope this lesson was useful for you. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comments. If you like this video, please make sure to give a thumbs up and to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching MK Learning.